Hey friends, it's Dimitri with Nebraska Streetwear. In front of me here I have this big sort of collage of a bunch of logo stickers. So typically when I am printing stickers out, I am doing like a whole sheet at a time and it's the same sticker. So basically what that means is that they are getting tiled and fitted in a certain way. So the computer, it wants to tile the stickers in a certain way so you can print the most amount of stickers within the printable surface area. So on my printer, it takes 20-inch vinyl. It doesn't take anything larger than that. And then within that 20-inch vinyl, there's only 18.9 inches of width of max printable area. And then obviously the vinyl, it goes on as a roll for hundreds of yards. But that's not really relevant to this specific thing that I'm talking about. I'm talking about the max printable dimensions within the 20-inch roll. And that is shown by I just took a Sharpie and made some marks right here. So from here to here is the kind of space that I have to work with. And typically when you're printing stickers on vinyl printers, you're gonna be having this sort of situation. You're gonna have these margins on the sides for the print rollers to take the vinyl, and it's not really gonna be able to print from one end to the other end. So that's just something you have to work with, and then you obviously just cut that waste away when you're done. But what you do want to avoid is you want to avoid this. So right here, there's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So right now, the current way I was printing stickers is that I could print 9 stickers tiled this way, and then it can repeat indefinitely as long as the roll is. But what that leaves me with is this, it's a little bit more than like a half an inch right here of this space. You can tell with that X right there that I just marked. And that is essentially vinyl that's getting thrown away. It's not getting printed on or used. And essentially I can't print anything in there. I can't just jam in a random sticker in there because I don't make stickers this size really. So that's not gonna work. So the next best thing that I can do is figure out ways to make the sticker have a dimensional relationship with the max print area. So it's 18.9 inches. So currently, the stickers that I make are around 2 inches wide, but I have 18.9 inches. So what I thought was, I can't make this sticker bigger. The reason why I wouldn't make this sticker bigger to fit this formula of 18.9 inches is because the original design for this sticker was very intentional. It was so that people could put this on the back of their phone and it could essentially act like a phone case. You know, it has like the logo on it and whatnot. And I've seen many people actually do this, and I've done it myself, obviously. And it works very well for all the new modern smartphones. It fits on there very nicely. But if I make it any bigger, it's not really gonna work for that anymore, and it's gonna be, you know, beyond its purpose. So in this case, if I want to print and use this extra, you know, half an inch right here and get that vinyl printed on, not thrown away, I'm gonna have to make it smaller to fit this. So I have to make the sticker 1.89 inches wide. And also, to keep in line with the dimensions, that means I have to make it a little bit shorter. So this is what it looks like when I design a sticker to this formula. As you could tell, it's a little bit shorter right there, and it's a little bit not as wide, but the sticker overall looks very, very close to the original sticker, and the customer is not really gonna really notice or care really about that kind of thing. But for me as the business owner, it's gonna save me a lot of money not wasting this vinyl. And now what I'm gonna do is every sticker that I design, I'm gonna redesign the stickers that I currently have to match these dimensions, so I can be printing and using all the available space I have on the vinyl. And I'm gonna make it so that it makes sense with kind of what the sticker originally is. So obviously if I have a small sticker, I'm not gonna make it extremely large, or if I have a large sticker, I'm not gonna make it extremely small. I'm gonna try to figure out which way it goes better. So for this one, obviously it works better to fit within this formula if I make it slightly smaller. And this is what it looks like tiled this way. So on the computer, you have a choice of having them tile like this, or straight on like this. And as you could tell, the dimensions of the sticker, it still doesn't work to fit within the print bounds. So that's definitely going to be downscaled a little bit so I can use those margins. But yeah, that is something that to think about when you are creating stickers. If you do this, you're essentially just going to save money by, you know, not throwing away so much vinyl and using all of it up. And I've made other videos about this before where I was discussing how maybe you might be designing products depending on the kind of shipping supplies you're using or boxes, because it's going to save you a lot of money, and whether or not that makes sense for the design or if it's going to, you know, be a problem for the customer. So think about when you're designing stickers, think about this sort of thing if you have your own vinyl printer. And yeah, you can be more efficient, save more money, and print more stickers if you do that. If you think about the dimensional relationship between the product and the manufacturing decisions that you have to make. And sometimes, like I said, you might want to make the sticker a little bit bigger so it fits on there, or you might want to make it a little bit smaller. Now, you know, you might also be wondering like, hey, why don't you just, you know, add stickers into there, or maybe you get rid of one here and maybe you print other stickers that fit within these bounds. Well, for me personally, it's easier when I print all of my stickers all uniform and all of the same ones at once. So basically, like for the logo stickers, I print sheets of that out and then I cut them all up, and it's very easy and fast and efficient to do it like that. Other sticker companies, they might, this is a common practice, they might have someone order like 2 or 3 or 4 different types of stickers, like the designs, and they might be tiling it into there. So they might put like some round stickers right here, or they might put like a large sticker right here, and they're trying to get the most printable surface area out of that, but that still leaves waste. And that's kind of the limitation if you run a sticker company. That's something that you're trying to do. Whereas for me, I'm only printing what I need to print or what my brand needs. So I'm going to be printing out sheets like this, and I'm going to get literally every single inch that I can out of the vinyl. Whereas for other companies, you might be still having lots of waste in between if you're doing that tiling method with lots of different types of stickers. So yeah, that's just some other sticker printing information. But yeah, that's something I'm going to do now from now on. I'm going to have this printed out and put on my computer, so I keep that in mind, and I'm going to be running against this formula so that my stickers will be matching my maximum printable dimensions. If you got any value out of this video, or if you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks.